Hi there, it's Laura here from Get Organized HQ, and I want to share with you the thing you should do before you start to organize any space, and this is something that most people overlook. Now, before we dive in, I want to make sure that you have had a chance to download my freebie, 6 Simple Steps to Get Organized Today, that's going to walk you through my very simple process for organizing any space. So that link is down below, and you can go ahead and get that for yourself. Now, let's talk about the thing you need to do before you begin organizing your space. A lot of times we just go in and we start taking things out, or we start buying containers, but here is the simple, I call it the pre-step, before you actually start organizing. And that is, you need to define what makes a space organized. If you don't know what the finish line is, it's going to be hard to know when you're there. So for it to be organized, does it need to look like someone else's space? Does it need to be Instagram worthy or Pinterest worthy? Does it need to look like this shelves here behind me with a whole bunch of beautiful labels on everything and decoration? Or can you just use any old boxes that you have? Like, how do you know when you're done? Well, there are 3 simple things that make a space organized, and these are the only 3 things that your organized space needs to have. So number 1, everything has a place. That is really the core and the foundation of organizing, that every item has a home. It does not necessarily need to be beautiful or Pinterest worthy or in any specific order. It just needs to have a home. Number 2, everyone who uses that space needs to know where that home is. So it can't be changing every day. It can't be something that you who use the space can't remember. So there's no right or wrong order. If you want to put all your books in rainbow order because that's how you remember them, fantastic. If you want to put them in alphabetical order by title, great. If you want to put them by subject, that's also great. If you want to do alphabetical order by author, that's also great. If you want to do no order whatsoever or size or something like that, that is all great as long as the people who use the space know where it goes and they can put it back in its home and it can easily be found again. Now, if you're the only one using the space, then it's super easy. It's just what makes sense for you. If you are looking for that item, where would you look for it? If other household members use the space, you need to work together to think about what works for all the different household members. Like, for example, for my children, I don't put their coats up high because they couldn't reach it. So I have a hook down lower. Or maybe one person looks for things by category and another one looks for them by color. You need to work on what works so that you all know where the item goes and where to find it, so you can especially put it away again. Then, this is the 3rd and final thing. The space needs to make you smile when you see it. So if Instagram worthy, beautiful bins with beautiful labels make you smile, then go for it. However, if something different, like putting your items in a bunch of shoe boxes with handwritten labels, makes you smile, go for it. There is no right or wrong answer or standard of what something needs to look like to be considered organized. It just needs to make you feel good and relaxed, and it needs to make you smile when you, the one who uses it, looks at it. That's all an organized space needs. So before you dive into your next organizing project, make sure you take just a minute to understand when you're going to be at the finish line, when that project is going to be complete, so you can declare it a victory when it is done. And everything that I just talked about is right here in my free guide, 6 Simple Steps to Get Organized Today. So make sure you take a second to click the link below and get this guide sent to you.